Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to Edicy and related resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. You're watching Rome Tips, and today we're diving into a review of the website builder formerly known as Edicy, now Vogue. This platform offers a simple, intuitive website building experience specifically designed for small businesses and freelancers. If you're tired of wrestling with complex website builders and want to create a professional, multilingual site without needing technical expertise, Vogue might be just what you're looking for. Its user-friendly approach and focus on global accessibility make it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a sleek and functional online presence. Vogue offers a diverse selection of responsive templates, all boasting a modern, minimalist aesthetic optimized for seamless viewing across all devices, desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Customizing these templates is a breeze thanks to Vogue's straightforward drag-and-drop editor. You can effortlessly tweak layouts, adjust color palettes, and upload media content. The streamlined design process makes website creation accessible even for complete beginners while offering enough flexibility to accommodate specific branding requirements for more experienced users. A truly standout feature of Vogue is its robust multilingual support. Creating a website in multiple languages is incredibly seamless with integrated tools allowing you to effortlessly add translations for different pages and manage your multilingual content efficiently. This functionality makes Vogue particularly attractive to businesses and individuals aiming to reach international audiences. Furthermore, the platform incorporates essential SEO tools empowering users to optimize their site structure, metadata, and content to enhance search engine visibility. For businesses, Vogue provides essential features such as customizable contact forms, seamless social media integration, and adaptable navigation options, ensuring a professional and user-friendly experience for all visitors. While Vogue's primary focus isn't e-commerce, it does offer basic product listing capabilities and payment integrations, making it a viable option for small-scale online stores. One of Vogue's most significant advantages is its simplicity. However, this streamlined approach can also present a limitation for users requiring advanced features or intricate design capabilities. Nevertheless, for users prioritizing ease of use and multilingual functionality, Vogue is a reliable and efficient choice. In conclusion, Vogue, formerly Edicy, is a fantastic website builder for rapidly creating professional, multilingual websites. Its clean templates, intuitive editor, and global accessibility tools make it an ideal solution for small businesses, freelancers, and creative professionals. Check out the links in the description to explore Vogue and determine if it aligns with your website goals. This review aims to provide you with the clarity needed to decide if Vogue is the right platform for your website needs.